How to add or create a circle on the Life 360 app. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create or add a new circle on your profile. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up the Life 360 app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have logged in, on the top you will see a drop down where you have a group. So there are two options. Either you can create a circle or you can join a circle. So if you want to be the admin and create a new circle, you just tap on create a circle and create a new circle and name it. So here, if you want to name your circle friends, this will be your invite code. So you can send this invite code, which will be active for 2 days. So you can just invite your friends so that they can share your location. So once you create a circle, if you want to manage your circle, you can just tap on settings, tap on circle management, and then from here you have your roles. So you can choose what role you want to have. And then from here, tap on OK. You can change the admin status. So if there are members on your circle, you can change and make them admin. So for example, if it is a family group, you can, if you're the dad, you can make your mom or your wife your new admin. So these are all of the things that you can customize in a circle on the Life 360 app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.